Hey guys, welcome back. So let's continue from where we have left, and previously we have built this very simple program and where we have implemented this particular class car insurance, and we have created this object based on this class car insurance. Now friends, imagine that the user has changed the car and now the user owns a bike, a super bike, and we would be giving the status based on the bike insurance. Well, in order to implement a bike insurance, we need to edit this code a little bit, right? So we would be calling not this car insurance, but we would be calling bike insurance. Now definitely the constructor for class bike insurance is not available because bike insurance class is also not available, and Eclipse has start complaining again. But we will ask Eclipse to not only complain but also give the solution of the complaint. So out of these three quick fixes, the first quick fix is create a class bike insurance, and we will ask Eclipse to create it for us. As soon as we click on it, Eclipse will again smartly identify that we have an interface, and we would be implementing this interface for this particular class. We will click on finish, and we would be able to get a class which is auto generated, and a lot of code is also done for us. Fantastic. So the only thing which is left is we would be updating this method, and we would be returning a string which would be your bike is insured. Fantastic. We will save this program, navigate to user.java, and again we will try to execute this particular program, and if you guys check, now the output has been changed. Now friends, imagine that after a couple of days after the user using the bike, he found that no, he is not a bike person. He would again switch to car, and he will again opt for a car insurance maybe, and he sold the bike. So the developer again navigate to this particular program, and again he will be editing this thing, and he will making it as car insurance, and we will again execute the program, and the output will change. Now because of this interface, we need not to edit all of this, but again there is some manual intervention required, which is not a good thing. Now friends, whenever we make these kind of changes, for example from car insurance to bike insurance or something like that, in here manual intervention is required, first thing, which is a not good thing. In software industry, we may fix couple of lines. Those couple of lines may affect some other component in the software, and we would be end up breaking couple of things. This is a reality. In software, something may wrong if you edit a code. So there could be many things going wrong while we are editing code for simple things. But if we are making use of Springs, many things can be configurable in our software, and there comes the power of Springs. In this particular section, we will try to understand that how we can implement a mechanism that we won't be changing anything in the code, but we would be able to configure the application with an ease without editing the code, which sounds fantastic, right? And this is why Spring is so widely used. In the next lecture, we will try to understand the inversion of control concept, and we will also implement it in the forthcoming lecture. I suppose I have made myself clear. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.